guys, it's Crazy Good Gamer, and this is my 5x5 tutorial. So first what you want to do is scramble it. So I'm going to scramble it off camera. You can scramble it from like an app or something. The app I use to time myself in scramble is called 5Timer. You can just download it on your phone. But I'm not doing that right now, I'm just doing it. Guys, I just solved 2 centers without even trying. Okay. Takes me a little while to scramble 5x5 because I want everything to be messed up. Alright, I think that's a good enough scramble. So first what you want to do is go to the white side, okay? So white side right here. So you can just look for some pieces. So this is what I call an edge piece. I don't think it's called that, but it's like a middle centerpiece. You want to find the corner centerpiece, so like that, and then match it up with it. Then you want to do this. So like on 3x3, this is a R move, but on 5x5, it's like R with both of these layers, and then you can just find another one. So here's a corner. Oh, there's already a match right here. So you can bring it up like that, but there's already a piece right here, so I want to bring it up and then do a U and then bring it down. So that piece is in there. Okay. So it looks like my piece is right here. So it's right opposite of that. Wait. Okay, now it is. So right opposite of that. Wait. You don't want it to be opposite of that. So it's like opposite of this. So these two are opposite. You want to hold it so it's like that, and then bring the middle down twice. So it's where it was supposed to go. So it needed to go right there. Now it's in there. And then do a U. Bring this down once. So that's like small r prime. Bring the middle up twice again. Then do a U. And then bring that up. So now we got all of that in there. Okay. So now we have 2 corners in here, so you can match those, and then normally you would just bring it up like that, but if you have 2 centers already solved, you want to bring it up like that, so R, U2, R prime, but in this case, we can just bring it up, because we're solving only 1 center right now, and you can bring this middle one up like that, so it's in its correct place, so it's like a bar. Do a U prime, and then bring the middle down, do a U, L prime, U prime, and then bring the middle back up. So that's the white center, and then you just want to do it with the white center, but it's a little bit different, because there's 2 centers. So you're going to want to bring it up, but it's either that or mess that up, so you could do a U2 and then bring it back down. So you could just match up a couple more bars. Oh, there's one full bar right here. So R, U2, R prime. Now we just need 2 of these edge centerpiece things. So it's like there, so we can bring it down so it's in there. Then U, small r prime, U prime, middle up, U, small r. And then the white center is still solved. So we can just do that with this piece. And then the yellow center is solved. Okay, so white and yellow center is solved. Oops. So usually I just start out with the blue center next. So you have this bar, so you can just bring it up, but you cannot turn it like this at all, because that'll mess these up. So you can just bring it up like that, and this time if you bring it up like that, it's going to mess that up, so you don't want to do that. So I have an edge right here, can do that. I actually can just bring it up since so then so these are only 2 pieces, so you could just bring this up like that. And then this corner, with corners is kind of the same thing for centers, so you can bring it down to a U prime, because if you brought it down and did a U and messed that up. So you want to do a U prime, bring it down, U, bring it up, U, and then bring it up. Then just find the edge centerpiece. Then bring it down so it matches with it. And then that's, you got the white, yellow, and blue center. This might be a little confusing, but I just wanted to make a tutorial. So you can bring this centerpiece down. And it's right here, bring it down. And after this, we got edges. After all the centers. So then that's the yellow, blue, and red and white. So now I will do green next. So this is green. So we already have a bar right here. So we could just do an F move to make it so it's in this sort of position. Then bring it up like that. Do a U2 and then bring it down. And now you have 2 pieces, so you don't technically need to do 1 piece. You could actually do 2 at a time. So you can bring it down, move it that way, bring it down, up, and then that's all the centers. So it's that simple. Well, not simple, but that's how you do it, I guess. So now we can go on to the edges. So I have a white and green edge right here, and then here's another one. So if we just bring it in like that, you see a match, but we don't want to do that. We want to look around the cube to find any more. So here's another one. So you can bring it up there. And then you could just bring it in, and then match them all, so it's 1 bar. You notice that you do mess up the center, so you can just bring it up and then move it until you bring it down so it's not a solid bar, then bring it down, and then realign all the centers. So that's 1 bar right there. And so I'm gonna do white and blue now. So it's right here. Bring it in. Okay, now I'm gonna do the white and red edge. Okay, you notice that they're like flipped. What you're gonna want to do is do a flipping algorithm, and when you do this algorithm, you'll flip it, but it'll go down there. So you're gonna want to go like R, F prime, U, R prime, F. So just flip it so it's down here, and then it can go in there correctly. So you can find the other one. Here it is. And then you don't want them to be in the same line like that, so you can flip it again. R, F prime, U, R prime, F. And then you could just align all of them like that. Bring it up. Do it with the messed up edge. Okay, there we go. Now, only 1 more white one. Bring it in, it's flipped. The flipping algorithm can go in. Okay, so these are the same, you don't want that. So R, F prime, U, R prime, F. Okay, and then align all of them. And then bring it down with the messed up one. Realign all of the centers. Okay, and that's all the white edges. So then you can just move on to the yellow. So I'm going to do yellow and green first. Okay, so here's one. You can bring it up. they'll go in there, so you don't have to flip it. But the one that's right here, you don't have to flip that one either. And then you can just line them up, bring them down, messed up one. Okay, find the next yellow one. So I'm going to do yellow and orange. It's flipped, so you got flip R, F prime, U, R prime, F. Can go in now. And then you're going to want to bring that up. There's a bar. Right up. And then you'll notice that this bar is already solved a little, so you don't want to go there. You can just go the one that's completely messed up and then do that one. So now I'm going to do yellow and blue. So here's one. And then you can flip this R, R prime, U, R prime, F. And then line them. And then bring it up like that. Okay. And then I only have one more, but this yellow and red is flipped, so R, R prime, U, R prime, F, like that. It needs to go on the bottom now, so flip it, R, R prime, U, R prime, F, and then just line them. So you'll notice that that bar is still there, so you're going to want to look from the bottom, so just turn it. And then there's one that's completely messed up, so you can do that. Okay, so now we might as well just do that bar since all the yellows are solved. And then just bring it in. Find that one. It's completely messed up. And then I'm going to do the orange and green now. This time it's a little bit different. So it's a kind of weird thing. So you'll notice if I do this, I could bring that up and then put it in. So that's what I could do, I guess. But I'm not gonna do that. So this piece needs to go in there, so it's flipped. So if it's not flipped, that's actually what you don't want. But if it is flipped, what you're going to want to do is move the top two layers like this, so to the right, then do the flipping algorithm. R, F prime, U, R prime, F, and move the top two layers this way. And then that's it. So that's what you would do with the last two edge pairs. And then you can just solve it like a 3x3. So I'm going to solve it like a 3x3 off camera real quick. Wait, first I'm going to show you guys something. So I'm going to show you guys a parody case that you could get. If I can get it. So I'll get this parody case for you guys. Alright guys, this isn't going that well. I try to get it to the parody algorithm, but I keep messing it up. So this is what parody will look like. If these pieces are all flipped, well, these two are the same and this one's flipped, and the rest of the edges are solved. So there is a pretty long algorithm that you'll have to memorize. I wrote it down on a paper right here. So I'll say that algorithm real quick. So you want to go like, so this middle one right here, bring it down. So it's like R middle prime. So only the middle one. So R middle prime, U2, L middle, F2, L middle prime, F2, R middle 2, U2, R middle, U2, R middle prime, U2, F2, R middle 2. And then that'll solve these edges. So all you have to do now is just solve like a 3x3. So I will do that real quick. I guess I could do it on camera. So just solve like a 3x3. So like I said in a lot of my other tutorials, you have to learn how to solve a 3x3 before you learn anything other than skew, 2x2, and pyramids. If you want to be decent at it. I have a 3x3 tutorial, so you guys know. Just finish up first 2 layers, and I can do the yellow side. Okay, then I can just finish off the cube here. And that's how to solve 5x5, guys. You guys can tell me in the comments what videos I should make next. Be sure to check out my Instagram. That'll be very helpful. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.